Welcome all my dear students. Today this is the last explanation link of chapter number 3, Movement Towards a New World. Now today I am going to explain the organs of United Nations. Organs means the units, the offices of United Nations which the United Nations have. Okay, so we will be learning this organs of United Nations. Now the structure adopted by United Nations to achieve its aim includes 6 organs. In short, there are 6 organs of United Nations. United Nations के 6 organs है. कौन से है? Number 1 General Assembly, number 2 Security Council, number 3 Economic and Social Council, number 4 Trusteeship Council, number 5 International Court of Justice, and number 6 Secretariat. Okay, so these are the 6 councils of United Nations. We will be learning and I am explaining one by one these councils. Okay, now first one thing you have to make sure that you understand that International Court of Justice is situated in Hague, Netherlands. All other councils are situated in New York, America. Okay, इन 6 काउंसिल्स में से इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस नीदरलैंड हेग में है और दूसरे सारे काउंसिल्स न्यूयॉर्क अमेरिका में सिचुएटेड है. ओके, नाउ activities of the organs of United Nations. Number 1 is General Assembly. Now see the picture of General Assembly. The General Assembly hall का picture दिया हुआ है. Okay, this is a very big hall. Now General Assembly, what is General Assembly? It is the biggest organ of the United Nations is the General Assembly. The biggest organ of United Nations is General Assembly. It includes the representatives of all member nations. Every nation can send maximum 5 representatives to this, but during election only 1 vote of each country is counted. Okay, now General Assembly is considered to be one of the biggest organ of United Nations. It includes the representatives of all member nations. All nations, they used to be the member of General Assembly, and every nation can send 5 representatives to the General Assembly for meeting. Okay, now maximum 5 means 5 or less than 5, but during election only 1 vote of each country is counted. In spite they sent 5 representatives per country, but during election only 1 vote of 1 country is counted or 1 vote of each country is counted. Okay, इलेक्शन के टाइम पे भले वो 5 रिप्रेजेंटेटिव्स को भेजते हो पर वोट एक ही काउंट करेंगे. नाउ व्हाट दे डिस्कस एंड व्हाट दे डू. नंबर 1, it can discuss, advise, suggest or recommend any matter related to the international relations. मतलब वो डिस्कस करेंगे, एडवाइस करेंगे,